That is an amazing haystack. We just had to get a picture of that. That's just wild. I don't know how much hay that equals out to, but that's a lot of hay. If I can figure out how to do it, I would totally trade the travel trailer for a sheep wagon. Not even kidding, true story. They are amazing. They were the original RVs, and they were made rugged and durable and functional, incredibly functional. I don't think anybody's ever made a better design. Guys lived out of those things in the wilderness for months at a time, even in the winter, and they're still in use. They're still in use today. Because they're just that durable and functional. So you watch for that. You might all see it coming. And if you want to see it, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Because we love them. We think they're cool. Melanie says we're tourists because we just slammed on the brakes and pulled over to get that clip of the sheep wagon for you guys. Out here with all the hay bales and the Jimungo haystacks that we've been seeing, which are really kind of cool. We don't see those very often anymore. My brother, Cliff, who you've seen him on some videos before probably, he's out in upstate New York, and they got a little farm out there with goats and chickens and things, and he's been struggling with his hay equipment. He's got some vintage or maybe an antique hay equipment. I don't fully understand all the details. We saw those haystacks, and I said, I got to tell my brother, Cliff, that he needs to stop messing with a baler and just pile it up in giant haystacks. I don't know if that would work with the climate out there, but maybe it would. So Melanie just pointed out to me after I recorded that last segment that that might have been just a regular covered wagon, not a sheep wagon. I didn't get that great of a look because I was driving, trying not to hit any of them little delimiters or stuff, you know, the fence post things, side of the road things. If it was just a covered wagon, it's still cool, and I still want a sheep wagon. There's a lot of them around, and they're really awesome. So we took a little cruise outside of Gillette into the country because the spot we knew for sure there was a sheep wagon. Now we wanted to make sure we showed you a legit sheep wagon, just in case that other one was just a regular covered wagon. I haven't had a chance to look at the footage yet, but anyways, that's the sheep wagon, and they're just totally cool. I would totally love one of those, even if it'd be a little less space even than we've already got. I mean, they're cool. What do you guys think? You want a sheep wagon? Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about it.